nagkaroon na siya.
Sabihin ko mga.
Drama na kayo.
I am children students forever. I am a Filipino by Carlos Tiro.
Huli po maga.
1, 2, 3, go.
I am a Filipino, inheritor of the glorious past, hostage to an uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal. I do a twofold task. The task of my
Meaning my responsibilities to the past. Sorry.
Restart.
Dali lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
I am a Filipino, inheritor of the glorious past, hostage to the uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal. I do a twofold task. The task of meeting my responsibility to the past, and the task of performing my obligation to the future. I sprung from a hardy race, child of many generations, remove of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memory comes rushing back to me of brown-skinned men putting out to sea in ships that were as brave as their hearts were stout. Over the sea, I see them come, borne upon the winnowing wave and the whistling wind, carried upon the mighty swell of hope, hope in the free abundance of new land, that has to be their home, and their children's forever.
It is the land they sought and crown. Every inch of shore that their eyes
Lakasan mo
were
ha.
set upon. Every
Dito kita.
every hill mountain that beckoned to them, which a green and purple invitation, every mass of rolling plain, that their view encompassed, every river and lake that promised a plentiful living, and the fruitfulness of commerce is allowed spot to me.
By the strength of their hearts and hands, by every right of law, human and divine, this land and all the appurtenances thereof, the black and the virgin soil, the seas and lakes, and rivers.
By the strength of their hearts and hands, by every right of law,
Human and divine, this land and all the appurtenances thereof, the black and fertile soil, the seas and lakes, and rivers steaming with fish, the forests with their inexhaustible wealth, in wildlife and timber, the mountains with their bowels swollen with minerals, the whole of this land I receive in trust from them, and in trust will pass it to my children, and so on, until the world no more.
I am a Filipino, who am not one of the immortal seasoned heroes.
Really?
That towered down the centuries in deeds of courage and defiance. In my veins yet punches the same hot blood. The set Lapu-Lapu to battle against the alien foe. That drove Diego Silang and the Go into rebellion against the foreign oppressor.
That seed is immortal. It is the self-same seed that flowered in the heart of Serizal that morning in Bagong Bayan, when the valley of shots put an end to all that was mortal only, and made its spirit deathless forever. The same that flowered in the hearts of Bonifacio in Balintawak, of Gregorio del Pilar at Tirat Pass, of Antonio Luna at Kalumpit, that bloom in flowers of frustration, in the sad heart of Emilio Aguinaldo at Talanan, and yet burst forth royally again, in the proud heart of Manuel Quezon, when he stood at last on the threshold of ancient Malacanang Palace, in the symbolic act of possession and racial vindication.
Lorenzo, lakasan mo
The
ha.
seed I bear within me
Hindi kita marinig.
is an immortal seed. It is the mark of my manhood, the symbol of dignity. As a human being, like the seed that were once buried in the tomb of Tutankhamen many thousand years ago.
Masus ka.
It shall grow and flower and bear fruit again.
Ay, tutag.
It is the instead of my race, and my generation is
Iba yung pagkarinig ko rin ah.
in the unending search of my people for freedom and happiness.
I am a Filipino,
child of the marriage of the East and the West, the East with its glamour and mysticism, its passivity and endurance, was my mother, and my star was the West, that came thundering across the seas, with the cross, and sword, and the machine. I am of the East, an eager participant in the struggle for liberation from the imperialist yoke, but I also know that the East must awake from its centuries sleep, shake off the lethargy that has bound its limb, and start moving where destiny awaits.
For I, too, am of the West, the biggest peoples of the West,
Ikaw
have
talaga.
destroyed forever the peace and quiet that once were ours. I can no longer live. Being apart from those worlds, now trembles to the roar of Buckingham shot. For no man and no nation is an island, but a part of the main, there is no longer any East and West. Only individuals and nations making those momentous choices that are hinges upon which history dissolves.
At the vanguard of progress in this part of the world I stand, a foreign figure in the eyes of some,
Carl, baba mo
but
yan.
not one defeated and lost.
Baba mo.
For through the thick, interlacing branches of habit and custom above me, I have seen the light of the sun, and I know that is good. I have seen the light of justice, and equality, and freedom.
Louder.
And my heart has been lifted by the vision of democracy. And I shall not rest until my land and my people shall have been blessed by this. Beyond the power of any man or nation to subvert or destroy.
I am a Filipino. This is my inheritance. What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the pledge that has come ringing down the corridors of the centuries, and it shall be compounded of joys Christ of malign forebears. When they first saw the contours of this land long before their eyes, of the battle cries that have resounded in every field of combat from Mactan to Tirad Pass, of the voices of my people when they sing,
Land of the morning, child of the sun returning, mere shall invaders trample the sacred shore.
Out of the lush green of the 7,000 isles, out of the heartstring of 16 million people, all vibrating to one song, I shall weave the mighty fabric of my pledge, out of the songs of the farmers at sunrise, when they go to labor in the fields, out of the sweat of the hard-beaten pioneers in Malig and Coronadal, out of the silent endurance of stevedores of the piers, and the ominous grumbling of peasants in Pampanga.
Out of the first cries of babies newly born, and the lullabies that mothers sing. Out of the crushing of gears and the whine of turbines in the factories. Out of the crash of plow and turning the earth. Out of that limitless patience of teachers in the classrooms, and doctors in the clinics. Out of
Filipino, born of freedom, and I shall not rest until freedom shall have been added unto my inheritance, for myself and my children's children, forever. I am a Filipino, by Carlos P. Romulo.
Thank you.